I got this gorgeous, gorgeous book, JoJo Finds His Voice, from author Jon Selzer. It is a limited edition, and he sent it with this gorgeous, gorgeous platypus plushie, which my granddaughter could not put down. She's a year and a half old. And speaking of Lana, this is the very first book ever that I was able to read to her from beginning to end. Now, let me tell you, I have this child in my lap reading toddler books all the time. And she just wants to grab them out of my hand, eat them, turn the pages, rip the pages. She has no patience whatsoever for me to actually read a story until this book. It is beautifully illustrated about this little platypus who absolutely loves music and loves to sing and sings in the choir. But I got to read all of these words to her. Again, look at this gorgeous illustration. I think the bright colors really make a difference here. They're gorgeous. This page is just stunning. And it talks about the opera. And one of Jon's real goals is to bring the arts to kids and help them understand the importance of the arts. Look at these gorgeous illustrations. Oh my gosh. So JoJo practices and he practices. And by the way, I didn't have to read it like this. I actually got to read all the words instead of saying a couple things and turning a page, right? Then opera night came and he's going to have a solo. And when he was practicing, all of a sudden, JoJo lost his voice. And confidence was something that was needed. He got words of encouragement from his family. They looked everywhere to find his voice. And he was at the library and he read and he saw this book, Believe in Yourself, Take a Deep Breath. So he tried some of these things and they were really getting nervous as the performance got closer. And JoJo found his voice when he opened his mouth. The voice came out. It was beautiful. And this is this gorgeous book. It has a pretty dust jacket that protects the book nicely. And as I mentioned, this little plushie here, JoJo, my granddaughter carried it with her everywhere. She kissed him. And it's very small. I'd say like, I don't know, 6 inches maybe. So perfect for her to cuddle and snuggle in her arms. I just could not believe what was actually accomplished with this one book. And I just want to say thank you to Jon Selzer for this fantastic opportunity and for the copy for my grandkids. I know they're going to appreciate them very much.